balls. Oh my God. Winston is playing hide and seek on me with the balls. He doesn't think I know. What are you waiting for? You waiting for Mommy to play balls with you? Huh? Is that what you're waiting for? You don't think I know you're there? You don't think I know you're there? Huh? What's going to happen if I take that ball? Huh? I see you. Mommy got one ball. Mommy got one ball. Oh, I dropped it. Oh, you're looking out of the corner of your eyes now, are you? Oh, you know, Mommy's got your ball. I can make your eyes go wherever way I want with those things, eh? Way up. Okay, Mom's going to throw it. You ready? He will wait for the second ball. See, he knows how to count.